In this video, I'm going to talk about Open Coding Challenge. If you're interested in coding, then you can participate in this challenge. Basically, it is a coding contest where you can participate to test your algorithmic skills and stand a chance to win a cash prize of 27,500 rupee. And this contest will give you an opportunity to upskill yourself through their prestigious I program. So basically, I program is a unique opportunity for you to gain the right skill set to land jobs in some of the best tech companies in the world. So let's see what is the eligibility criteria for this coding challenge. So your grad year should be 2018 to 2023, and your degree or branch, it is open for all degrees and branches, and it is open for all Indian citizens. And here you can see the prizes for all. I program admissions open for final year students and young professionals only. And in this challenge, there will have 5 programming questions on data structure and algorithm. So let's know why you should take up the challenge. If you take up this challenge, then you'll get opportunity to win cash prize, and you'll get the opportunity to upskill yourself with zero upfront fee. And here you can see the cash incentives. The first prize is 10,000 rupees, second one is 7,500 rupee, third prize 5,000 rupee, fourth prize 3,000, and the fifth prize is 2,000 rupee. And they will also provide rank-wise certificates for top 5 and participation certificates for top 250. So it is a great news. Then the another one is course incentives. So you will get opportunity to directly entry to the interview stage of I program for all the individuals who score above the threshold. And I program students pay course fee only if they get a job of 5 LPA plus via income share agreement. And here you can see what is their I program. You can go through from here, and then again here you can see some guidelines to participate here. You need to ensure that you are attempting the test using your correct email ID, and you must click submit after your each answer given. Then if you need assistance during the test, then you can click the questions mark in the lower right corner of the page to raise a ticket. Then these are the guidelines, so you can go through the rest of the guidelines by yourself. And here you can see some facts. Simple challenge here, that can you participate in the sample challenge? Yes, you can participate here. And like this way, there are a lot of frequently asked questions. Here you can see that you just need to go through all of these questions, then you will have the better overview of this challenge, and you will have the idea how to participate here and what is going to be everything here. That means ins and outs about this challenge is described here. So to participate in this challenge, all you need to do, you just need to simply click here register button, and here you can see this challenge will be open at December 16 and it will be closed at December 20, and duration should be 1 hour 30 minutes. So participate here in this challenge. All you need to do is just simply need to click here register. When you click register, then you will get this page, and here they will ask you to give your first name, last name, email, password. And there is another option you can use, it is sign up with Google. If you click here sign up with Google, then you will be registered here, and after registering, then you will be able to take this challenge. And if you are in top list, then you will get your cash incentives and as well as your free certificate from this coding challenge.